So if you are familiar with this, we have show you two patterns for the past 3 lessons. That's the first one and the second one. Today we're going to show you a different strumming pattern, and that we will take this style, add some more things to it, and sort of give it a different flavor of strumming pattern. I'll just get my guitar quickly, like right here. Okay, just refresh your mind. This second strumming pattern sounds like this. So that's just a refresher in your mind. So today, I'm just gonna quickly show you a variation. If I add certain things to here, you create a bit of more variation to the strum itself. And that's sort of an idea to give you in your journey to become making good music out of guitar strummings. This is sort of one of the ways to play around and create, come to a point of creating your own signature strumming patterns. So for the songs that I'm going to teach you, one of the songs is called I Worship You Almighty God, and this song we will use a combination of this strumming pattern here, and we'll add a bit more. For that I would use the green color to show you the extra thing I added in. Hope you can see the green from this video tape. This one here, yeah, actually upstrokes. Amazingly, just by adding upstrokes in a strategic position, you can create a kind of different mood when you do a strumming. I'll play this, how this looks like visually to how it sounds like audibly. So down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, boom, 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 boom. Now you notice that when we start learning more strummings, how the volume of the strummings, especially upstrokes and downstrokes, comes into play more and more to create the mood, the feeling that you want. You might heard this before from teachers all around the world. You should play with feeling and emotions, and how you can achieve that, one way is to vary your loudness and the intensity, the softness and loudness of your upstroke and downstrokes. And you notice that my upstrokes is actually a bit softer than my downstrokes for this part. I'll show you one more time. So my downstrokes, the sound is the same, it's just the upstrokes is just a bit softer. So it gives you I don't know how to explain the feeling. But if I were to change that and make the upstrokes louder than the downstrokes, you can tell, you can see how this will totally change the feeling of this drum. 2, 3, 4. So just by same strumming pattern, we emphasize differently in the upstrokes and downstrokes. You can play around and understand like, hey, this sort of paint a different picture of a song. So for starters, just have that sort of mindset for those of you who are beginners, and for those of you who want to attempt that, go for it. And that's basically the strumming pattern I'm going to show you today. That's number one, and I'm going to show you how to play the song, Worship You, Almighty God, using this strumming pattern. And I want you to observe. There are certain times I would use this strumming pattern, and certain times I'll use the second strumming pattern, which doesn't have these green upstrokes in it. Sort of that will create a more organic, or more fluent taste to the song. As I say again, in your journey to playing songs, you discover that sometimes songs require you to play a constant one set of pattern. Sometimes you need to mix things up in your strumming patterns. You use one pattern and then you just add a bit of upstrokes and downstrokes here and there, just to give it a bit more feeling here and there. The whole idea of when to do what is always try to understand what the song is trying to say in words. That will give you an idea. So with the chords that we learned just now, which is the A minor and C, plus all the other chords we learned in previous lessons, and with this strumming pattern, I'll show you how we can play I Will Worship You, I Worship You, Almighty God.